Hi, I got my trial version of Home Designer Pro open. I created a simple plan. Take a look at it. I put a window in there and made it into a round window, and then put some dividers in there. And those dividers are 1/8 of an inch. The ones in your picture, see here, I think it is. Yeah, look like they're pretty thin. So that's the reason I made those just 1/8 of an inch. Now I'm going to kill this. This is a trial version, so I can't save what I've got here, but that's okay. I'm going to delete this window. Let's see, I guess I better see, what have I got there? That's the window. And then these little things here, that's the center divider, and this the other divider. I'm going to click, tab, delete, click, tab, delete to get all the vestiges of the old window out of there. Now, I'm going to start with just a regular window, and we'll open the window. And like Eric said, the most likely thing is you went to fixed glass. You have to remove the sill and the casing and a lintel. There's no lintel, so we've got a casing. Uncheck and uncheck. And then we'll go to sill and uncheck and uncheck. Next thing, with the round window, you want it to be as wide as it is tall. So I'm going to make it 32 by 32. Now I can, we'll hit the tab key so it's sized into a square. Then you can go to the arch tab and make it into a round top, and then reflect and get the basic round window. Now you go over to lights and add 1 and 1. It doesn't do anything. It's just pre-programmed. That doesn't work. So that's the reason for the, now I'll show you what this looks like with an isometric camera. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is create a closed polyline. I suppose you could do this with soffits, but I think it would be more a lot harder with soffits. I'm going to make this 32 inches in length, and then we'll go over here and click on this dimension and make it. I think I'll make it 1/4 of an inch this time. So I've got a two-dimensional closed polyline there, which I'm going to convert. See here in the edit toolbar, convert polyline to a slab. And then it's going to ask you, I want the thickness 1/4. So there's your divider. And we'll make the material bone, kind of a white color bone. So there's our initial divider. Now, I'm sorry, I got to click away from the camera thing that I've got open. Okay, the height here to the top is 80. Let's see, minus half of that would be 17 inches. 15, 16 inches. Okay, so I'm going to set the top at 80 minus 16. I'm sorry, I don't want to change the window. We'll change this. Oh, I did it again. You click over here. Okay, now I want the elevation at bottom to be 80 minus 32 tab, about 48 inches. Now we'll go back to the camera. See, there's that, well, that's the divider. It looks like it's too thick. Let me check and see the settings on it. It should be 1/4. Elevation top, yeah, that's fine. I don't understand why it looks so huge. But I'm going to move this now over into the center of this window. I'm using a control key to override the thing bumping into other objects. I'm going to copy that and drag the copy out here a little bit. And I'm going to make let's see, these automatic dimensions aren't working because I have to zoom out so far to see. I'm just going to drag it over, drag it in. I want to make it 1/4 of an inch in plan view. 1/4. Okay, so now that, and I'm going to open the dialog box, and we'll make the thickness 32 inches, same size as the window. And let's see if I can see it. Yeah, there it is. So I can just kind of bring that into roughly the right relationship. For this long one, I wonder what happened to it. There it is. I'll drag it out here so I can see it. Okay, it's just a little low. Drag it into the base. I know this is how you do it. I have to do it in Pro. In Chief Architect Premiere, it's a lot easier. In Pro, things are a little bit harder to do, but you can do them if you're intent on doing them. I want to get that. I have to hit the Tab key, grab that over and pull it into the center of the window. There we go, roughly. I think this one needs to move over a little bit. So I'm going to hit the arrow key. This one's a little bit low. So we'll click on it, use the up arrow key. And it needs to go into the frame a little more. So I'm going to click there, hit the Tab key until I get it. I had that right in the center, but it doesn't look like it's right in the center. And there you go. This is the round window is the easy part. You just have to have the settings right. This part's a little more demanding. But if you want the dividers, then that's what you have to do. Hope this helps you. If it doesn't, have a great day anyway. Thank you.